Hi, and thanks for coming back to my channel. I'm your Everyday Joe. In today's video, I'm going to be making jalapeno poppers, so make sure you stay tuned.
If you want to show support to this channel, be sure to click the subscribe button. And to stay up to date on new content, when we release it, ring the notification bell. Now let's get into the video. The ingredients we're going to need for the jalapeno poppers are 5 medium jalapenos, which we're going to slice in half, 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs, 1 egg for the egg wash, 2 shrimp, which we're going to mince, 1/2 cup shredded cheese, 2 tablespoons of green onion chopped, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 cup of cream cheese softened, a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. So first thing we're going to do is we've already washed the jalapenos. As you can see, I'm wearing gloves. I've already cut up some of the other jalapenos and took the seeds and the veins out. That's where the heat's going to be. If you want it a little bit more heat, keep some of it in there. I'll let to clean it out. There's going to be plenty of heat already. So we're going to take the last one here. I'm going to show you how I did that. Take a small knife. Now you can leave this on for look if you want. I just take it off. Just take it off. Better to take it off now than later. Then slice right down the middle. And again, I suggest you use gloves. So I take a little teaspoon here, and you just want to scrape that out. I mean, you can use a knife if you want. I just find this spoon works better, cleaner. Okay, and just scrape that all out like this. Put it in some cold water. And the cold water is basically just to clean out the seeds and any of the liquid that's still in there. So take that and just drag down and get rid of some of the heat here. Okay, and as you can see, it comes out nice and clean. So put those in here, get those cleaned up. So I'm going to clean all this up, and we'll start stuffing these and creating the stuffing for the cheese stuffing. I dried off the jalapeno peppers, so they should be okay to handle now. So we're going to start making the stuffing, or the cheese stuffing for it. So first I've already chopped up the green onions, minced them up real finely. I've already got the green onions and the cream cheese, and the softened cream cheese. I'm going to add pepper, some salt, okay, paprika. Also the shrimp I've minced up real finely, so it mixes up nicely. So we'll get that all in there. And we're going to throw some of this cheese in here. And the rest we're going to use for the top afterwards. So all we're going to do here is make sure, and you want to make sure that the cheese is soft. So you want to leave it at room temperature for a while, so it's easier to kind of mix together. So you want to just, I use a fork, you can use a spoon, whatever's going to make things easier. And just mix that all up. Okay. Okay, that looks pretty good here. Just want to make sure we get all that seasoning all spread out. And the cheese is all mixed there. So let's give it a taste there. So we get. Well, that's good. Okay. So now I've got a rack here, a power air fryer rack. I don't think we're going to need to spray it. It's going to be fine because these are going to be sitting upright on there. So we're going to start stuffing here. I'm going to use just a flat knife here, a butter knife. You know, it's going to make things a little easier. So I'm going to take that, just get that all in there. Okay. So you want to pack it in. Pack it in as good as you can, or as much as you can. That's up to you if you want it overflowing or not. So I'll do a couple here. Get that all spread in there. And you can make it look pretty if you want. I think messy is better. Just looks more appetizing. Okay, so then I'll do the rest of these, but I want to show you the next step here. So then what we're going to do is we're going to take your halved jalapeno with the cheese and just press it into your breading. And you can season the breading if it's not. I've got the seasoned panko here. And get the edge here. Okay. All right, and we get that on the rack. Take the next one, same thing. You can bread the outside if you want. I don't think you need to. I'm going to keep that looking good so you can distinguish what it is. Okay, so we take that, put it on the rack. Okay, then we're going to take our egg mixture and we're just going to brush the top here so it gets a nice golden brown. Okay. Okay, good. And then we're going to just stack some more cheese on the top. You can never have too much cheese. These things just go great with the cheese. Get cheese on the inside, cheese on the top. Stack it wherever you can. Okay, and just press it down because when you put them in the air fryer oven, you're going to have the blower, the hair, you're going to have the fan on top. And it might blow the cheese all over the place. So you want to make sure you pack it in good. Okay, and we're going to clean up this mess here. All right. So I'm going to do the rest of these, get them on the rack, and then I'll show you how they go into the oven and what they look like. Here we have the jalapeno poppers ready to go in the oven. They're all topped off, plenty of cheese and breading. So we're going to get it into the power air fry oven. Okay, we're going to put it in close to the top rack here because these aren't going to take long. And we'll close the door. Turn it on. We're going to go 400 for 5 to 8 minutes. We're going to set it for about 8 minutes. And we'll give it a shot, give it a peek at about 5 or 6 minutes and see how they turned out. I'll see you then. Okay, this has been about 8 minutes in the power air fry oven at 400 degrees. You can see the cheese melted nicely. The peppers are thoroughly cooked. They're cooked all the way through. Nice little presentation here. So I'm going to grab one. I'm going to grab this one here. And we're going to cut into it and see what we have. Oh, this is nice. It's all nice and soft. Now, you can just gulp it. I just want to be able to taste it for the heat here. Wow, that's good. Yeah, the cream cheese really comes out of that. And you taste a little bit of the shrimp, the seasoning. Yeah, that's really good. That's really good. I'm gonna finish cleaning this out here. If you enjoyed my version of shrimp jalapeno poppers, is what they turned out to be. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments section. Give me some thumbs up, some shares. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and you can click the head here, the big globe with my face on it. That's a subscription button. Also, I'll link some more videos on the side here, and I'm sure YouTube will link some there too. So if you enjoyed it, I appreciate any support, and I'll see you in the next video.